Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Twitter from showing you tweets that you never signed up for. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So many people noticed in the recent months that tweets start showing up in their home timeline of people that they don't even follow. And they may be wondering, how did this happen? And more importantly, how to stop it. So what's happening is Twitter has changed the way that it suggests tweets to you. It will find something it thinks you like based on the other people you're following or other things that you like to tweet about, and then it will just start showing them to you, random accounts. So this Kelly Cornwall, I don't follow her, but for some reason her tweet just showed up in the middle of my feed, and I don't like it. She's talking about something I don't really care about, and I don't even know why she's here. Probably because somebody else I follow likes her. And what I could do is I could just click this, and then I could block this person. But an even better, the problem with blocking people like this is Twitter will just find someone else to put in her place, and it's a never-ending stream of junk. So what you need to do, actually, at the top of your timeline, you'll see that says "for you." This means recommended by Twitter for you, even if you don't follow them. Switch it to following. This means that your home feed will only be people that you've signed up to follow. It won't show anybody else unless somebody you follow retweets them. So that's what I do for all my Twitter accounts. Select following, not for you, and that makes my Twitter experience a lot more like the way that I want it. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to in30minutes.com, that's the official site for my publishing company. You can see the books we have, the cheat sheets, and other information. Thank you so much for watching.